to my family and my abang here, especially to my kids. Malapit na ako makauwi sa Sydney. I'll be there soon in Sydney soon. It's really hot where we are. We're just waiting for the bus now. Back to the town, our hotel.
Back to the fishing.
We see some crocodile,
Baby
some
crocodile.
buaya, pero baby crocodile, just a baby crocodile. Mga baby pa yung mga buaya. Nakita ko yung mga buaya ko doon. Parang mga buaya ko sa Pilipinas.